I'm Harshit Chauhan. I'm co-founder of Colrows. In this video, I'm going to introduce Consensus. Consensus is our AI native autonomous semantic layer. As AI becomes part of everyday decisions, companies need a shared understanding that they can trust. That's Consensus for you. It is built on three core principles. First, it is fully autonomous. It gathers context from multiple sources: databases, data catalogs, documentation, and user feedback, and keeps the context graph in sync with reality on its own. Second, it's repeatable. It gives the same correct answer every time without hallucination. Third, it's guarded. It estimates query cost and prevents runaway queries, protecting your database. Now, how can you connect to Consensus? You can connect to it using MCP clients, APIs, and even host it inside your own application. Now, in this video, I'm going to use Claude to connect to Consensus. Let's see how that works. Now here we have Claude MCP client, and I've already added Consensus Semantic Layer MCP tool here. Colrows Consensus Tools. It is publicly available, so you can add it yourself as well. Now you can start asking your questions. Suppose you want to know how did the sales perform in 2024, and you want to see some insights about it. So you can just ask for it. Show me some insights about the sales in 2024. Show me a dashboard. Now, the MCP client will use Colrows Consensus MCP server and its tools to fetch the data, generate the SQL, and many more. And here it is. It has generated this dashboard for the 2024 sales performance. As you can see the metrics here. Monthly sales trend. Oh, you can see the revenue dip in November here. Top countries. Top 10 products. Meat pasties tops the list. And customers, and many more. Now, as you saw here, there was a dip in November. You might have some investigative questions as to why there was a dip. So you can simply ask, why there dip in November? And here is the data. The root cause was meat pasties product. There was a significant dip for this product. Great. Now, unlike black box AI, Consensus is fully transparent. With every answers, it shows you confidence scores and source traces. As you can see here, in this generate SQL response, you can see the confidence score and the score's explanation. You can also see the source traces, which metrics it used, which business terms it used, which tables it used to calculate this. And even though it's completely autonomous, it is in full control of the users. So teams can go and override any of the entities anytime. Now let's see how you can do that.
Teams can override any of these entities or create new ones anytime. Now let's see how this semantic layer looks like. This is the studio. Here, you can visualize the semantic layer and manage it. Consensus is a fully autonomous semantic layer. It is built and managed by 7 specialized agents that continuously learn from your databases, catalogs, documentation, and user feedback. Together, they construct a context graph that captures how your business actually works. Most systems struggle to keep their semantic layers aligned with the evolution of business. There are always changes in databases, changes in documentation, and shifts in business priorities. This is where Consensus Semantic Layer stands out. It autonomously detects and removes duplicate entries, definition drifts, and semantic conflicts, ensuring your semantic layer always stays accurate, consistent, and aligned with your business evolution. Now discover insights, share knowledge, and drive growth, all with Colrows AI.